Ray's Repair Zone. Today I just got this repair kit for stone chips, windshield stone chips in the mail. I bought them off of eBay. They're quite cheap. It's got the resin, it's got even razor blade and all that. Anyway, I already did it. I did this one and it's actually looking really good. I'm going to show you from the inside. You can't even see. It's better than what I've done or what I've got done in other places. I'm set up here. I put some chicken crap over my serial number just because. So now I'm going to fix this big stone bruise. So hopefully it'll work. Set this thing so it's right in the middle of the hole where the stone bruise. I did one bruise with it. I'm going to do another one, and I think I could get a few more out of the deal with this thing. I'm going to tighten this up. I'm going to see if, and I got to look from the inside to see if it's centered over the bruise. Now you apply this resin inside here, which is kind of hard because it's not at an angle. Now you put this pusher thing in here and you press downwards and screw it in. Oh, it's a little tighter now because it's leaking down the... Now I'll press it in. Looks like it's working. So you leave that for 4 to 6 minutes and then it'll absorb the resin, and then you release that pusher and it kind of sucks the air out, and then you push it back in again. Looks like it's going to do a great job. Hopefully it'll work on the camera. To release it, release the pressure, then it kind of pulls and sucks the air out, and I heard it just kind of like a little suction there. And by the looks of this kit, I could do multiple stone bruises. I don't know how long the resin's going to last in the little container there once you open it. Top of there and let the sun do its job. And while it's doing that, I'm going to do the other one. Should be long enough now. I'm going to take this off. Oh yeah, it's stuck on there pretty good. I'm going to leave it on that hole so the hole is covered. I actually think it looks quite a bit better. for it a little bit.